Problem solving skills are probably some of the most valuable skills you can have in science. What I see students struggle with most is how to problem solve, specifically word problems. This video I've created for that reason. What we're going to do is we're going to follow these top 3 steps here to help you digest word problems and make them easier to understand. Step 1, underline, highlight, or box the numbers. I prefer to underline. If an object has a mass of 26 grams, 26 is the number, grams is the unit, and a volume of 55 milliliters, 55 is the number, milliliters is the unit, what would the density be? So step 1 is done. Box the numbers and units. Step 2, rewrite the numbers and units and identify what they are. So my first number is 26, and the units that go along with it are grams. I'm going to identify what this is. Grams is a mass. $55 milliliters is my second set of numbers. 55 milliliters equals, identify what this is. It actually says it's the volume. Volume. Then step 3, restate the question in a short and simple way. Let's look for the question. You always look for the question keyword, what? What would its density be? So I'm looking for the density. Density equals, and the way I like to represent it is a question mark, so I know I'm searching for this. Now, these steps may seem childish, elementary, but they're critical for understanding what comes next in problems and how to solve them. So do everything you can to organize your information in a simple way for you. Let's try the next one. Again, I go back to step 1, underline, highlight, or box the numbers and units in a word problem. An increase of 37 Kelvin would cause the volume to go from 4.0 liters to 4.8 liters. What was the original temperature? So I'm going to step 2 now, rewrite the numbers and units and identify what they are. 37 with the units of Kelvin is a temperature. I'm just going to write temp. And then I have 4.0 liters is my volume, and it's my first volume, so I call volume 1. And then I have 4.8 liters. Sorry, I didn't put the point on this one. 4.0 liters for the last one. Then I have 4.8 liters equals this. Since it's liters, it also equals a volume. Volume 2. So now I identified that I had 2 different volumes, both of them with the same units. Now step 3, restate the question in a short and simple way. Where's the question? What was the original temperature? So what I'm looking for, my question is, what was a temperature? And since I already have one temperature, this is going to be my temperature 1, and this is going to be my temperature 2.